Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you simple PC tricks to record your computer screen without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do on your Windows PC keyboard, what you need to do is to press Window plus Hab, and this run box is going to pop up right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you type in PSR, just like what you see right here. After you type in PSR, next thing you need to do is to simply hit on OK, and you have your recording menu pop up just like so. Next thing you can do right here is to simply click on start recording right here. Immediately you click on start recording, as you can see on my screen right here, the PC have started recording. If you want to pause the recording, simply click on pause and the recording will pause. You can also click on resume again to continue with your recording. When you are done with whatever you want to record on your PC, so you can simply start to work on the PC just like so. I can simply create a new tab and then get to a particular website, and then you can see right here everything here is being recorded just like so. Once you are done with whatever you want to record on your PC, then come down below right here and come back here and click on stop recording, and immediately you click on stop recording, a window like this is going to pop up. Then you can begin to scroll up and down and see everything you have recorded so far, just like what you see right there. And lastly, you can also save whatever you record, like the case may be. And for you to do that, simply come to the top right here, click on save right here, and a dialog box like this is going to pop up. Then you can name it recording file. Then the file format is going to be in zip file. Next thing you can do here is to locate where you want to save it. So I'm going to simply save it in my desktop. Then I'll come down below right here. I'll click on 2. Okay. Then I'll simply click on save. And it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply record your PC window screen without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.